Kasalanan bang teacher, principal yan? Sino? Maaga ngayon, teacher, ah. Okay. Oo, kasi para kumanta ka daw. Walang bakit kung sino pa ang totohanan ay siya pa nililisan. Kasalanan bang mahalin ka ng lubusan upang iko'y iyong iwanan? Bakit kung sino pa ang totohanan ay siya pang Boknoy, lisan? Kasalanan bang mahalin ka ng lubusan? Kasalanan bang mahalin ka ng lubusan? Kasalanan bang mahalin ka ng lubusan? Virtual background. Bato. Ayan, next. Next. Oh my God, anong nangyari sa wall ko? Bakit iba? Iba to siya. Best preference, we recommend using a green screen. So, kung ganyan, man. Sino nandyan? Buknoy! Yon, si principal, teacher pa. Ayop! Teacher na, principal pa. Doble pa. Do you know where you're going to? Do you like the things that life is showing you? Where are you going to? Naglalaro ako sa wall. Do you know? Do you get what you're hoping for? When you look behind you, there's no open door. What are you hoping for? Do you know? Once we were standing still, bilang time. Parang it's You knew how I love Akatila. You see me laughing at the questions that you once asked of me. Do you know where you're going to? Do you like the things that life is showing you? Where are you? Tawa ng tawa, gusto mag-asawa. Do you know? Kaya siguro ganyan kalaki ako, ano? Okay ba yan? Kasi now looking back at all we planned, chasing left many dreams that left through her hands. Ayos yan, malaki. Malaki, okay na. Diyan, kahit isang LS makita-kita lagi ng karangangang, nakanganga. Ano yun? Nakanganga. Akyat na, tsupaeng. Do you know where you're going to? Life, the things that life is showing you. Malaki ang ano. Where are you going to? Green na itong isa, oh. Do you know? When you look behind you, there's no open door. Bigyan ko kayo ng hagdan, baka gusto nyo kumanta. You're hoping for. Do you know? Bakit kaya parang iba yung wall ko ngayon? Nag-iba ba ng si StreamYard? Shadow Man! Lola Janet, malaki daw ikaw, sabi ni malaki ang malaki yung ulo. Shadow Man, anong malaki? Sabi mo anong malaki? Nakakainis naman tong wall. Bakit parang nag-iba ngayon ang wall ni... Tamsak, Rib Sky. Malaki ang puso. Akyat na. Doors. Why do they doors? 'Cause when you walk right out of yours and mine, it made me wonder why there are tears. Daming gold. Oo, kunin ko. Saluin nyo. Where is the end to all of this? Where's the face that used to cheer me up? Girl, parang principal ba ako? Lamig eh. Ito kasing jacket ko sa labas kanina kasi mainit kasi ito. Those arms just keep on reaching for someone who no longer dare. What can I say besides I'm sorry? What can I say to change your mind? What can I do to make tomorrow yours and mine? O, di ba? Nakapakpak na Ate Or. Cheers. Why do there have to be cheers? 'Cause yours is empty now, there's no one there. It really makes me wonder, why does my heart just keep on beating? Why do my arms just keep on reaching for someone who's no longer there? What can I say besides I'm sorry? What can I say to change your mind? Why do I keep chance you'll walk back through the door? Mali. My heart knows there's no hope anymore. Class, huwag maingay. Why do there have to be doors? Class, si teacher nyo kumakanta, huwag kayo maingay dyan. Ate Lani! Wow, Diyos ko. Ate Lani, makita ko rin yung pangalan mo sa wall ko. Kulani. Kulani. Oh, ano natin? So long time no see man si ating. Kumusta natin? Busy ata ito eh. Busy ka na, te? Hello. Okay ba sound ko dyan? Parang hindi ako kontento sa sound ko. Musangsang. Ayan. Andyan si Musangsang. Ayan. Ayan, kanta tayo ng Tagalog song. Dedicated to Lani Matira is in the house. Sister. Dito ba? Rogel TV, dito ba? Mamaya, manapuntahan kayo ha? Dito ba